Hi, my name's Reece. I'm a second year acting student at NUA, and today I'll be taking you to have a look around my student house. So, last year I was at ASG, and that was about 10 minutes from campus. This year I live here, it's about half hour from campus, it's not too bad. I'm paying £92 a week here for the room. As you can see, it's a lovely big house. It's got a bit of a patio at the front because we've not got a garden, and you've also got our bike shed in the corner there. So let's just go have a look inside. So coming inside, you've got some coat hangers on the wall. You can see some down the corridor as well. It's really good. We're in a house of 4, so we need as much space to hang coats up as possible. Most student houses come with a tumble dryer and a washing machine. You can see our washing machine there, and there's a tumble dryer. It's just really useful to have, so it means we don't have to go looking for a laundrette in the area. As you can see, it's a standard kitchen. You've got your sink, our hob there with an oven. There's enough cupboard space for everyone to have at least a cupboard each, and then we share a cupboard as well. And then it's just important to kind of keep your house homely. You can see our Christmas tree there because it's Christmas, and our flatmate's brought a TV with her as well. So coming upstairs, we've got our bathroom. This is one of 2, so downstairs we've got a toilet as well. We've got a mirror, our shower. It's just a typical bathroom really. Some student houses allow you to have an ensuite, and most have a shared bathroom, so this one's shared. It's not too bad. One of the perks of the house we went with is that our bills were covered. So some student houses allow you to cover your bills, TV licence, electric and rent all in one payment, so it's nice and simple, no faff. Coming into my room, again, for me it's just about trying to make it as homely as possible. It's Christmas, so I've got some Christmas lights up, and I've got a poster and some canvases, some more posters there. I use command strips as it is a lot less of a mess than using blue tack to leave marks on the walls. Some landlords don't like you sticking things up on the walls, so obviously do check before you move in. I've got my double bed there, and I've also got my desk as well. So just like your halls or your old accommodation, you should have somewhere to work as well. I'd probably say I quite like where our house is situated. We're only half hour from the uni, so it's quite easy to walk, or I even cycle, and because it's on the main bus route, it's easy to get the bus in too. You find a lot of students around here as well. When I was applying for student housing, I didn't quite know how close I'd be to all the people I was living with last year and people I met on my course last year, but I was pleasantly surprised to find that they were only around the corner. I think one of my favourite spots around here is Eaton Park. It is literally just up the top of my road, about 10 minutes, and it's just nice to go for a walk or a cycle around there in the nice weather, or kind of just get out and get some fresh air. There's also a load of shops around here as well, so that kind of helps if you need some food but you don't really want to go into the city. But yeah, overall I'm pleased with the house. I'm pleased with the amount I pay for it, and I hope you guys are able to find a house that's right for you. NUA have their own housing list that gets launched every year, so keep an eye out for that. But just keep your mind open and make sure you find a house that's right for you.